As we gather in this place, we remember. As we contemplate your grace, we remember. In the bread and in the wine, we can know your love divine. It's the season, it's the time to remember. As we bow our heads in prayer, we remember. In the fellowship we share, we remember. In the stillness of this space, we are safe in love's embrace. Let us turn our hearts to grace. I remember. We will remember. We will remember. We will remember. Gentle and great I am. We will remember you. In the mystery of this feast, we remember as we claim your